Thanks for joining us. I'm Amy Jo Wentz, and we are in Pleasant View, Kansas. We are at Stoosman's Greenhouse, and we are ready for fall, Ben. You have everything we need that we can decorate our house, we can decorate our porches, and whatever else.
You know, what you see here is just a small example of what we do. But one thing that we've just always been known for is our mums, and we grow a lot of them, literally acres outside. And of course, they're just coming on right now in multiple sizes, some that are just awesome for table decorators, or just as a starter planting, just plant them in the ground. But most of this is going to be utilized as your front porch, decorating your patio, and of course, you had fun a little bit just around the front of this with a lot of the little things that we do with pumpkins and geeky stuff, geeky gourds, we call them funkies, but just a lot of fun stuff that you can do with fall decor.
Everything is grown here in Kansas. This makes it even better. And you've got 12 locations around the state.
All the way through central Kansas out to Dodge City, Salina, Sedgwick County, 4 stores in Sedgwick County. And no, it's, you know, in the community where you are, I hope that we brighten up the community with a lot of cool stuff for fall, and love to have you come see us.
Right, that's here at Stoosman's Greenhouse. Be sure to visit one of the 12 locations nearest you or go to stoosmans.com for more information.